Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Sharing data between a parent and forked child process in Python can be achieved using several mechanisms. One of the most common ways is by using the multiprocessing module, which provides a high-level interface for creating and managing processes. In this tutorial, we'll explore how to share data between a parent and a forked child process using the multiprocessing module, specifically focusing on the multiprocessing.queue and multiprocessing.value classes for interprocess communication. Before we begin, ensure you have Python installed on your system. You can download it from the official Python website. In Python, you can create multiple processes to perform parallel or concurrent tasks. These processes can share data with each other using various interprocess communication mechanisms. We'll cover two common approaches. Using multiprocessing.queue, this is a thread-safe data structure that allows you to exchange data between processes. It's ideal for passing messages and sharing data between a parent process and its child processes. Using multiprocessing.value, this class provides a way to share a single value, such as an integer or float, between processes. It's useful for situations where you need to maintain a shared state. In this example, we'll create a parent process that spawns a child process. The parent process will put data into a queue, and the child process will retrieve and process that data. In this example, we define a child process function child_process that retrieves data from the queue until it receives a none-sentinel value, at which point it exits. The parent process puts data into the queue and sends the none value to signal the child process to exit. In this example, we'll create a parent process that spawns a child process. The parent process will increment a shared integer value, and the child process will decrement it. In this example, we use multiprocessing.value to create a shared integer value. The parent process and child process both manipulate this value concurrently. Sharing data between a parent and forked child process in Python can be achieved using the multiprocessing module. You can use multiprocessing.queue for message passing and data exchange or multiprocessing.value for sharing a single value between processes. These mechanisms allow you to implement efficient parallel processing in Python while maintaining data integrity between processes. ChatGPT